someone who gives a shoulder to you when you cry, scolds you when you break the rules, shines with pride when you succeed, and has faith in you even when you fail. I, Ishita Devrukkar of class 10th Lily.
I, Kezia Verghese, would like to co-host today's program.
I feel honored to welcome you all on the behalf of our respected principal, dear teachers, and the management group to our event aimed to celebrate fathers and fatherhood along with Music Day and Yoga Day. So, I invite Priyavanda Shah to welcome you all.
A very good morning to our manager, Reverend Sister Pauline, our principal, Reverend Sister Rosemary George, our vice principal, Sister Lindsay, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all in today's celebration of Father's Day, Music Day, and Yoga Day. Our father may be described in various ways. He is the provider, protector, mentor, and everything that one can think of. It is said it is easier for a father to have children than for the children to have real father. This day is dedicated to all the fathers for their appreciation of love and care to their children. I welcome all the fathers to this auspicious ceremony with utmost respect. Music is a pleasant flow of sound in the air which changes the rhythm and the systematic method. One of the greatest boons for God, for all the living being, is music. We can even find music in the chirping of the bird. Hearing music gives us peace in our hearts, minds, and soul. I welcome all the musicians on this auspicious day. Yoga is a journey of discovering ourselves. It is linked to all the aspects, namely physical, spiritual, and mental peace. It calms and relaxes our body and soul. It helps us to stay fit and healthy. On this auspicious day of Father's Day, Music Day, and Yoga Day, I once again, along with Class 4 Lily and Class 10 Lily, welcome you all.
Thank you, Priya Vandana, for welcome speech. Prayer is a wonderful medium to push our limits and discover one's strength. Faith in God helps to awaken new perception in our life. Let us all accompany the prayer song with Steffi and Sophie and seek the Almighty's blessing.
Oh, I've heard 1,000 stories of what they think you're like, but I've heard the tender whispers of love in the dead of night, and you tell me that you're pleased and that I'm never alone. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. Oh, I've seen many searching for answers far and wide, but I know we're all searching for answers. Only you provide, 'cause you know just what we need before we say a word. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am.
Yoga is an immensely rich and highly complex spiritual tradition. The best aim and function of yoga is to develop physical and mental strength, resistance to disease, and a strong mind. I invite Prajwal Patil to share his views on the importance of yoga.
My name is Prajwal Patil from class 10th B. Today I am going to speak about importance of yoga. Yoga brings together physical and mental discipline to achieve peaceful mind and body. It also helps to manage stress and anxiety and keeps us relaxing. It also helps in increasing flexibility, muscle strength and body tone, and improves respiration and energy. Now I am going to demonstrate Padmasana in front of you. The benefits of this asana are restores energy, calms brain, stretches ankles and knees, increase awareness and attentiveness, and develops good posture. I am going to demonstrate Surya Namaskar in front of you. The benefits of Surya Namaskar are improves digestion, improves anxiety, brings down sugar level and helps your body detox.
Yes, yoga to play a very important role in our physical and spiritual development. Thank you for the wonderful words. Yoga helps to tune our energy and rhythm of our body. Let us see our 4th Lily students performing yoga with their fathers.
तू मेरी जान
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान
But you love me, Daddy.
तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान
But you love me, Daddy.
यूं तो है तू नन्हा सा है मगर गुरु सबका और इसी शरारत से
दिल जिगर मैं हूँ सबका.
कहने को है यूं तो हजार कोई मगर तुझसा कहाँ अकेले हम अकेले तुम जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान
But you love me, Daddy.
Do you feel any turbulence here? Or have your heartbeats gone up? Is everyone ready to sink into the depth of music? Here I call Kavish Kale to give a speech on music in my heart.
Good morning teachers, sisters, parents and all my dear friends. I Kavish Sunil Kale from class 10th Lily. I am going to speak about music. Everybody knows music. Music is a pleasant flow of sound in air which changes with rhythm and systematic method. It is a skill or art that a musician possesses and gives a musical performance for the audience. One of the greatest boons of gods for all living beings is music. Music helps in classifying all the sounds in rhythm into a system, and then anybody can learn and practice it. Everybody enjoys the harmony and the pleasant rhythm made by musical instruments. The style of music have changed drastically over the years. Mainly, there are 6 eras of musical history. Those are the Middle Ages, Renaissance, Classical, Baroque music, and the 20th century. Music is common for entertainment for everybody. According to the dictionary, music is an art of sound which explains the ideas and emotion through the elements of rhythm, harmony, and melody. Music helps us to feel relaxed and refreshed, which soothes our body. It removes our anxiety and stress from our everyday life. For a human, music is vital in different moments of life. Music helps in spreading happiness and joy in the life of a person. Music gives us the soul of our life and gives us immense peace of mind. As Beethoven once said, music has the ability to change the world. It is quite right as music helps us soothing physically and mentally. Music is the best element according to the physicians. Thus, we connect souls and find our real self with the help of music. I love and enjoy music. Music is always in my heart. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you for the wonderful speech on music. Music is something that we all enjoy, isn't it? In the heartbeat has its own rhythmic music. Pulse chirping is a music. Sound of wave is a music. If you want, you can find music everywhere. It should be within us to feel it and to understand it. Instrumental music is arranging sound with proper elements. Let us enjoy instrumental music composed by the students of 4th and 10th Lily.
the darkest days, when I feel inadequate, unloved, and unworthy, I remember whose daughter I am and I straighten my crown. Such an inspiring sentence. Father's Day is a perfect time of year to celebrate the loving and caring man in your life. Writing letters to father with a special message for him will let him know how much you appreciate all his priceless advice and unconditional support. To make that feel special, we have compiled some caring, emotional and sweet Father's Day card to celebrate all the joys of fatherhood.
The most wonderful blessing in my life is having you as a dad. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you, my son. God bless you. Hello everyone, myself Kishore Patil, Prajwal's father. First, I wish you all dad Happy Father's Day. Today, I am saying some few words on Father's Day. Being a father is not easy, and of course, all fathers want their children to grow into a good people. For that happen, they need to make a positive, lasting influence on their children. Aside from caring and working hard for your children to show them you and love and support, you can also inspire them in life through messages. If you want to have a good talk with them, your children, and give them encouraging, supporting messages to inspire them in life. The greatest gift I give to my child is my time, my love, and my attention. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity to speak today on Father's Day event. Thank you.
That was really awesome, my dear friends. Father's love has no boundaries. It plays a very important role in a child's development and shaping our personalities. Here I call upon my friends Anvesha Yadav and Tanisha Rajpal from Fort Lily to recite a poem on Father's Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha Kumar Rajpal from class 4B Lily. Today I am going to say something about my superhero, my father. This is for you, Papa. You make me laugh, you love, you care. When I need help, you are always there. You give me room to learn and grow, and I would just like to let you know that you are the best and I love you and I know that you love me too. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Hello everyone, my name is Anvesha Ujjwal from class 4B Lily. Today I am going to sing a song for Father's Day. We love our daddy, listen to what they say. We love our daddy, happy Father's Day. We love our daddy, listen to what they say. We love our daddy, happy Father's Day. That's our hero, dads are very brave. Dads are the best because they keep us safe. Dads are playful, dads are very strong. Dads make feel better when something is wrong. We love our daddy, listen to what they say. We love our daddy, happy Father's Day. We love our dad, listen to what they say. We love our daddy, happy Father's Day. Dads are funny, dads are very smart. Some dads like sports and some dads like art. Dads tell stories and teach us lot of things. Not scared of monsters, cause dads are our king. We love our daddy, we listen to what they say. We love our daddy, Happy Father's Day. We love our dad. Listen what they say. We love our daddy. Happy Father's Day. Stand up for your daddy and wave your hands from side to side. Clap your hands for your daddy. You're doing it right. Stand up for your daddy and wave your hands from side to side. Clap your hands for your daddy. You're doing it right. We love our dad. Listen what they say. We love our daddy. Happy Father's Day. We love our daddy. We listen what they say. We love our daddy. Happy Father's Day. Thank you.
In spite of this dreadful pandemic, where in nearly every house it is a source of worry and concern, some of the fathers have spent quality time with the children. Let us cherish some memorable moments which will be a fond memories throughout our lives.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
What a cherishing moment. Thank you everyone who have captured a beautiful relationship. Dance is a joyous moment and a heart of life. Dance is the physical and mental workout. I am very sure that the students of 4th and 10th Lily will astonish you as they are going to dance with a superhero. Let's check it out.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल, हाँ मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
ਲੰਬੋ ਟਰੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੇੜੀ ਸੁੱਟੀ ਹਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ, ਇਹ ਦੇਸੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੁਣੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ। ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਦੀ ਵੇਵ ਆ ਨਾ ਭਾਲਦੇ ਕੋਫੇ, ਵਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਠੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ, ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ। ਆਓ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ, ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਕੱਢ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ, ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ। ਆਓ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ, ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਕੱਢ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ, ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ। ਓ ਬਾਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਜੀਨ।
Last but not least, we have reached at the end of our program. So I invite Trisha to give a vote of thanks.
Good day to all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion of Yoga Day, Music Day and Father's Day. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I thank our well-wisher, our principal, Reverend Sister Rosemary George, for her stewardship, support, vision and commitment. I thank our manager, Reverend Sister Pauline, and our vice principal, Sister Rincy, for their unstinted support for this function. My heartfelt thanks to the head of various departments and faculty, our teachers and parents for their valuable contribution, guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. Last but not the least, I thank you, my friends, for your cooperation in making this function a sounding success. Once again, thank you for all your attention.